Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to program through this program, okay? So, for example, today we're going to use the example of like an insect, let's say. Let's say that the insects are the only animals that have 6 legs, which means that, for example, once that you have put all the commands or like the steps for the program to follow, the program is going to ask you how many legs does your animal has, and then you're going to put like, for example, 6, and then the computer should tell you that it's an insect or not because it has 6 legs. So let's start. First of all, you have to put the title, okay? Which in this case would be A1 insect. Okay? Then you have to put number 1, 1, and declaring variables. Then put the variables that you're going to use, or like the names of like the values. For example, you first have to put definir. There it is, definir. And I want to use number of legs. And then como real, which number of legs will be defined as real. And then you put inputs. And then, okay, let's start. First, you have to put the word escribir. There it is, escribir. And then you put these things, which I don't know their name, and put something like, for example, hi. Please write the number of the legs of the animal you have. And basically this program, what it's going to tell you is that if your animal is an insect or not through the number of their legs. If it has 6 legs, then it's an insect, and if it's not, then it's another animal. So then once that you've put that, you have to put punto y coma, and then put leer number of legs, which is the variable that you have put here. So then you put again this, and then you put process and outputs, because they are two like steps. You have to put them. You have to put them together. So it would be 3, this, and 4. That not 4. Yep. And then put process and outputs. Okay, that's right. And then you have to. This is the part like where the computer knows, or like you state how the computer will know if it's an animal or not, and through what it will know. Okay, so in this case it would be through the number of its legs. So okay, so you have to put C, which would be like if number of legs, there it is, it's equal to 6, then, or entonces, oh, what's, okay, then or entonces, if it's equal to 6, then you will put, then the computer will put escribir, it's an insect because it has 6 legs. It's an insect. And once that you've put that, the computer knows that if it has 6, if your number is 6, then your animal is an insect. But you have to put also what would the computer would tell you if it doesn't have 6. If it doesn't have 6 legs, what would it be? Or if it's an insect or not. So, as it's an insect, then you put si no. Oh, they're not. Si no. Well, then, escribir. It is not an insect because it's not. It's not an insect. And there it is. And then here is the end of the C. And it's very important that you always have this, because then if it's not, then C it's not like closed. And it doesn't have like an end. So the computer would never know like what happens if, when to end this process. And then, I don't know, you can put something like escribir and then, I don't know, bye. And there it is. And let's put it like play, and let's say that my animal has 4 legs. Something's happening. There it is. Let's say that my animal has 4 legs. Then it's not an insect, because if it has 6 legs, it's the only way that it could be an insect, because because here you put number of legs equals 6, which here is this 6, then it is an insect. But if it's not, si no, that's why the si no, for example, like 2, then it's not an insect. And that's it. Thank you for your time. And then once you've learned this, like this is a basic programming, this is a basic programmation method.